How to fix your iPhone battery drain now on iOS 26. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone battery drain on your new iOS 26. So firstly, launch the settings application on your device and tap on the battery option you see there. iOS 26 now highlights the apps that are using excessive battery usage in orange. It also shows suggestion example turn off auto brightness or enable auto lock for these apps. Also, you can go ahead and tap on the low power mode option in the battery settings itself. So go ahead and scroll down and toggle on the low power mode toggle button on your iPhone. This reduces background activity like fetch, visual effects, etc. Now, go back to settings and then tap on the display and brightness option you see there and further reduce screen brightness and disable auto brightness. Also, go ahead and turn off options such as raise to wake or reduce motion or visual effects, as these animations and features can consume extra energy. Now go back to settings and tap on general and then tap on the background app refresh option you see there. Further, go ahead and disable background app refresh for all the apps that you don't need constant updating. Also, battery drains faster when the iPhone is too hot, so try to keep your iPhone cool by avoiding direct sun or heat, or don't charge your phone while gaming, etc. And make sure all your apps are updated to the version that supports iOS 26 well. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone battery drain issue on iOS 26. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.